of August. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on my screen. We have a Euro USD. So this chart here, we are within some range. You can see that. As I mentioned yesterday, we have a very good trend line like this, and then you have another one at the bottom. So we have a support here, we have a support, we have a support. As long as the price is held above this line here, we expect the buyers to push price to the upper side, at least up to this trend line here. So we are looking forward for a buy. We expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to this trend line here, the line we have at the top. So the next chart is GBP USD. The next chart is GBP USD. So on this chart, basically we are looking forward for the price to continue to the upper side. So we have a very good support on the monthly chart. You can see here we have a very good chart on the monthly chart, a very good support. We had a support here, we had a support, we had a support, and we had a support, we had a support, and we have a support here. So as it is right now, we are looking forward for a buy as long as the price is held within these two lines here. While the price does not break below it, we look for a buy position from where the price is right now. We expect the buyers to push price to the upper side, at least up to the lines which we have at the top. So basically, this is where we expect the price to go up to. So we expect the price to continue upwards, at least up to this point here. So look for a buy here up to this point here. If the price breaks above it, then the next target is the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So a buy here up to this point, at least up to the next level. So the next chart which I want us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen so far, we are buyers. We are looking for buy positions. We are looking forward for the price to continue upwards, at least up to this level. This level here should be broken. We want price to break beyond. Let's see. This is 135.531. If the price ascends above it, then expect it to continue upwards, at least up to the next line, which is this one. This is let me see just a second. This is 144.948. So should the price break above this line which we have here, we want to see some struggling above this area before we can pick a buy position. We are expecting the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to this level here. So on the other side, if that does not happen, if the price fails to break beyond this line, then we expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this line here. So this line, this is 124.520. So you may want to sell it around this area. Have your target. The first target should be here where I took this buy position. The next target is the line I have at the bottom, which is this one here. So that's my opinion on that instrument. The next chart which we'll have a look at, let's see, the next chart is SP500. This chart has been bullish for some time now. The price has been in a very good uptrend, but then this year the price pulled back downwards. You can see that almost for an entire half a year the price was bearish. So we still expect the price to continue upwards. We still do expect the price to continue upwards. It should break beyond this line. This is 42.93.1. We expect the price to ascend beyond it. If it breaks above it, then expect it to continue upwards, at least up to the next line, which is this one here. So this is 4820.4, and this is 4293.1. So if the price breaks above the first line, our next target is the line we have at the top, and in case the price breaks below the lower line, then we expect it to continue to the lower side. So this one here, this is, if the price fails to break above this middle line, we'll be looking for a sell position. If it breaks beyond it, then our next target is the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So my next instrument is Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, we are looking for a sell. We expect that the current move to the lower side will likely continue downwards, at least up to this line here. This line is 83.039. So expect the sellers to push us down up to this point, where should the price bounce off from, this will give us a good place to look for a buy from. In case the price descends below it, then our next target is here. Our next target is this line here, which is 66.740. So should the price break below this point, expect it to continue downwards up to this level here. In case the price bounces off from it, then this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So you either wait and buy it somewhere around this price, or you may also wait and buy it when the price gets to this point, or you may wait and buy a break above this point here. So those are the only two cases. These are the only three instances where you may buy here, or you may wait and buy here, or you may wait and buy when the price breaks above this line here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.